Tired of spending hours on your hair only to feel underwhelmed? Discover 10 stunning, time-saving hairstyles that deliver maximum impact with minimal effort. 1. Goddess braids. These thick, smoothly laid cornrows are perfect for a sophisticated, professional look, offering excellent protection for natural hair while minimizing daily styling time. Ideal for both casual and formal events, this flowing style adds a touch of regal elegance. The larger size of the braids makes installation and takedown quicker than traditional small braids. 2. Sleek high bun. A timeless choice for a polished appearance, this style effortlessly elevates any outfit. It's incredibly versatile and keeps hair neatly secured, minimizing manipulation. This voluminous version adds drama and height, making it an excellent option for special occasions or when you want to make a bold statement. Works well with both natural and relaxed hair textures. 3. Faux Locs. Faux Locs are a superb protective style that allows for experimentation with length and color without committing to permanent locks. They require very little maintenance once installed. Styling faux locks in a half-up, half-down look adds flair and versatility. This option is great for showcasing the lock's texture while keeping hair off the face. 4. Sleek ponytail. The sleek ponytail is the epitome of effortless chic. Its polished finish is ideal for a professional or glamorous event, taking just minutes to perfect with extensions or natural hair. For a quick boost of volume and texture, the curly ponytail is an absolute winner. It gives a playful, lively feel and is excellent for a night out or a vibrant daytime look. 5. Box braids with curls. Combining the convenience of box braids with the femininity of curls, this style is striking and low maintenance. The curled ends add movement and a touch of softness to the classic style. Shorter, thicker box braids with curled ends are a lighter option that still offers great protection. They are fantastic for those seeking a less weighty style that retains a fun bounce. 6. Half up, half down hairstyle. This style is versatile and universally flattering, combining the chicness of an updo with the elegance of flowing hair. The high top knot adds a modern, edgy twist. Using natural curls for this style gives a beautiful, voluminous look that celebrates texture. It keeps hair out of the face while showcasing curl definition and bounce. 7. Tapered Natural Cut. A tapered cut is the ultimate choice for minimal effort and maximum style impact. It highlights facial features beautifully and works incredibly well with all natural hair textures. Adding a burst of color to the longer top section of a tapered cut creates a bold, fashion-forward statement. This style is quick to maintain and never dull. 8. Feed-in cornrows. Feed-in braids offer a seamless, natural-looking cornrow style that is comfortable and protective. Fewer, thicker braids mean quicker installation than smaller ones. Intricate patterns with feed-in braids can be breathtaking, offering a protective style that doubles as a true piece of hair art. They are ideal for extended wear and special occasions. 9. Headband wig look quick change. Headband wigs are the ultimate low-effort, high-impact style for busy women. They offer instant style and protection without the need for glue or extensive blending, perfect for quick changes. A straight lob with a headband wig provides a sophisticated, professional look in seconds. It's an ideal solution for a polished style with minimal morning fuss. 10. Pineapple Updo. The Pineapple Updo is a gorgeous, quick style that is also fantastic for preserving natural curl definition overnight. It's an effortless look that focuses all the volume at the crown. Adding a pattern scarf or ribbon to the pineapple instantly elevates the style from a protective method to a stylish, coordinated look perfect for any casual outing.